Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today talking about how to making quadcopter drone. So very technology also. So this is the quadcopter drone. How to build quadcopter drone? We can explain the one by one. So transmitter, receiver and communication KK board. So we can explain the one by one. Please watch my full video, don't skip it. So this is only for education purpose only. Please come and watch my full video. So this is the RC fly sky, so radio control system. So this control system make it drone and RC flight jet and RC car. So all people's like RC car, so this controller make it RC car also and RC boat. So radio control, whatever it's coming radio, so controlling, so we can easily making this fly sky radio control system. So these all are the switches for making the additional so that programming. So this is the throttle for raising the that speed increase and decrease. So this is the power on button, so showing the what is the voltage and that fly sky. So this joystick, so many joystick is there total. This is this joystick I think so 10 more than 10 programming is there. This joystick is the motor speed increasing. So when upwards pressing, that is motor speed increasing and decreasing, and left right is that motor drone also rotating, that wings also rotating. This is the forward, backward and left and right. So this joystick using for forward, backward and left and right. So these all are the one of the functions. Some other optional function we can also using. So this is the fly sky transmitter and this is the receiver. So that command also given the that receiver, that fly sky transmitter, that command given to this receiver. This is the 10 channel receiver FSIA 10B. So this receiver name. So these all are the port. So signaling port and power cable and that channel 10 channel it's coming. So come on, let's we see the next that battery. This is the 2200 megahertz battery. Okay, Shanghai, that coming in Shanghai. So 3S battery. So this 3 cell is there. So this is the charger. So this is the connector. Okay, main power connector. That is the charger connector. So 2S, 3S, that the types of the cells already mentioned. So it's a very fantastic. And this is the drone frame, quadcopter drone frame. So this is the one single frame arm. So how it's fixing, I will show you. So this is the motor. So this motor is the 1400 kilowatts. So that ratio, that kilowatt, low kilowatt also available, high kilowatt also available. We can use the 1400 kilowatt motor. So this is the KK board. So power supply distributor. Okay. This is the that motor power supply distributor. When it's receiving the controller, this board is power given to that same 4 motors. This is the buzzer. When you start the KK board, at the time this buzzer, a alarm is coming. Okay, come on, let's So this is the electronic speed controller, ESC. So power given to motor. Okay, this is the 30 amps ESC. So already we soldering the power cables and the ECS cables. Okay, total 4 ECS cable we soldering that frame, and power cable also soldering. So this KK board power give to these 4 motors. Come on, we fix the KK board wiring connections, how it's functioning, and that motor supply, how it's going, so we can easily explain. Okay, so this is the very helpful of the beginners. First let's come, we fix this last arm, see how it's fixing. That fixing also completed. Okay, 4 are fixing completed. So now we can connect the ECS power cable to motor. That yellow cable is the signaling cable, red cable is the power cable, and black color cable is the neutral cable. So we can fix the that some method is there, that cable code. That ECS center cable is the signaling cable, so we can connect to the yellow cable. Okay, that yellow cable is the motor signaling cable, so we can fix the properly. And both cable you can fix the any one. Okay, power cable and neutral cable, there is no any issue. That is the rotation forward and backward. Once we can fix the check it that your motor rotating the forward clockwise or anti-clockwise. Some you required that motor running to clockwise, you required anti-clockwise. You can change that cable also. Okay, one interchange that motor running anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is the different. Once you change the cable, you want clockwise or anti-clockwise, you can easily. Oh, this is the propeller. So this propeller is the different. I think this is the critical. Now it is the critical fixing. You can check and properly fix the motor. So total 4 propeller is there. First arm, second arm, third arm, and fourth arm. So you can fix the that propeller setting is there. Okay, that is I can explain to how it is fixing some other video. So it is video is lengthy app and we can explain. So only for fixing now I am telling. So this is the fixing video. Can tight properly. Okay, 4 propeller already fixed. Okay, one by one we can fix it. We can check it. So we can fix the 4 propeller. ECS sensor cable, so that communication cable, so motor, the communication cable, so we can fixing the 4 ECS cable to KK board. Okay, that yellow color is the signaling cable, red color is the power cable, and black color cable is the neutral cable. So we can fix the one by one, 1 arm, 2 arm, 3 arm, 4 arm. So one by one we can fix it. Okay, otherwise we can fix it one by one. So properly we can fix it and insert it. And another next one is so receiver. So now we can fix the receiver, that when we on the transmitter, at the time receiver is taking the command to from transmitter. So receiver, we take the command from transmitter. So these all are the cables for receiver to KK board. Okay. To KK board. Okay, this is the receiver. We can fix the near KK board, behind the KK board. Okay. So we can use the double end tape, that fixing. Or we can use the double end tape. Just insert it. Yes, fixing it. That two sense receiver. That is the sensor cable. So receiver sensor cable. We can insert the frame inside. Okay, this is very important. When it's come outside, that profile rotating, that time it's a broken cable, so we can use properly. And this connector is the signaling to communicate the ECS to KK board. Okay, you can fix the properly. That connector, there is a 3 wire is there. One is white color is the signaling, and red color is the power cable, and black color is the neutral cable. So you can use properly. Okay. That display side is white color signaling cable, you can insert it at the time working properly. Otherwise you can fix the reverse, it is not communicate. Okay, another one cable is the that 4 arm, that motor rotating signaling cable. Okay, you can insert it properly. Same, that is the 3 cable is the that same signaling. Okay, once we insert the cable, please ensure all cables it's insert proper or whatever it is. So this is the battery. So battery we can insert the frame inside, so you can use properly. Okay, otherwise it's very dangerous. So when we flying the drone, so suddenly we come outside or the propeller is broken, so we can insert the properly. So now we connect the battery connection to frame, so light is on, so our wiring also we can make the correct position, and these all are that all EC's communication is coming. So drone now showing safely. Okay, so this is the setup of the drone flying method, quadcopter drone installation safety. This all showing the safe. Okay, now drone is safe. Now transmitter once on the armed, that is the very important. Armed, when you coming the display, the drone communicate to fly. So now we start the drone now flying started. So see how it's rotating the propeller. So this is the quadcopter drone. Okay, please, this is the clockwise, this is the anti-clockwise, this is the clockwise. Okay, this is the anti-clockwise. Checking, this is very important. Okay, cable connection also and ECS also. These all ECS, please ensure and please cable tie. Dressing also very important, cable dressing. Okay guys, please you can make it your only and only for education purpose only. Okay guys, drone assembly completed and all programming and cable installation, propeller installation all are completed. Let's come and check with how to fly to sky. Come on, let's we check to. Come on guys, let's we go to check how to flying. That is empty ground, there is no any peoples. Come, let's we go to check how it's flying. Come on guys. Hi friends, if you watching now my video, if you like, please share and subscribe my channel. Please support me.